Welcome to our tutorial on scheduling service appointments. In this video, we'll guide you through navigating the service scheduler, creating and editing a service appointment, and converting it into a repair order. Let's get started. First, we need to navigate to the scheduler. To do this, click on the app launcher icon at the top of your screen. Type scheduler in the quick search area and select service scheduler from the drop-down options. Now that we're inside the service scheduler, let's take a look at the main components. At the top, you'll find the scheduler controls. You can select the day or week view, filter by location or technician, and export the schedule to a PDF. The calendar itself is divided by date, time, and technician columns. You'll also see open schedule spots and existing appointments. To create a new service appointment, simply double-click on an open spot within the desired technicians column. This will open the new service appointment card. Start by selecting a customer from the drop-down. You can create a new customer by clicking the plus button if needed. Next, choose the service vehicle and if needed, adjust the appointment length using the icons. You can color code the appointment depending on the type of service. Any opcodes added will be transferred over when converting the appointment into a repair order. Once all the information is filled out, click Save to confirm the appointment. You can also easily reassign appointments or change their length by dragging and dropping them to a new time slot or technician. Or simply double-click in the colored appointment block to edit. If the appointment is confirmed, the block will have a green border around it. To convert the appointment into a repair order, hover over the event and click Create RO. As you can see, the opcode was transferred over as a job line. Back in the service scheduler, repair orders will have a black border and a wrench icon. And that's how you schedule and manage service appointments using the service scheduler. Thanks for watching.